How to sell unlisted shares? 1. The clients who wish to sell their unlisted shares drop an email to us at sales@unlistedzone.com. 2. After receiving the email, our team confirms the buying price of shares. 3. Once client is ready to sell the shares, team provides our DMOT account's details in which the client needs to transfer the shares. 4. The client transfers shares using DIS slips, for example, delivery instruction slips. This is offline way of transferring the shares. Clients can also use online facilities like CDSL Easiest or NSDL Speedy. 5. After receiving the shares, our team at UnlistedZone transfers the funds in the client's bank account. The payment is done using RTGS, NEFT, IMPS, or through check. We don't deposit cash in any circumstances.